Yeah, it's almost like going back to your point on the importance of the voice of the customer, because it should be such an evolutionary opportunity to bring to the customer, right? That yes, it's a cross sell, it's a different product, but it should really be one solution. And I'd love to hear your thoughts about that because it is easy, especially with mergers and acquisitions. There's a board saying, I want you to cross sell and upsell, and then sometimes we have to backtrack in how does that actually provide one cohesive solution, right? Versus organically created cross sell, upsell opportunities usually come from our conversations with our customers because they need this. Those cross sell, upsell opportunities, are those easier than kind of the merger and acquisition ones? Or what's your thoughts there?
We made a very clear and strategic decision by the executive team and the CEO around culture, the internal alignment. Like culture is everything. So specifically our group, which is private equity owned, as we talked about, right? The five companies merging together. It's how do you get five companies to act as a single company, to act as the integral parts together are more important than the single unit. So what we did was just let go of the individual brands that we have with the products, which is not an easy decision to make because some of these products were and still are market leaders in their region with like brand recognition that you only get after being active in certain markets for 10 years. So very high visible brands. The executive team made the tough call to let those branding names go and move forward under a new name, which is Frisbee. And a lot of reasons to do this, but I'd say the most important one is culture and having that singular mindset within the group as, you know what, we're not this particular product line, we're not that particular product line. Like, no, we're Frisbee, we're one company. This is why I just mentioned it starts from within the company or within the business before you can even think about having a successful cross-sell strategy in the market.